I have been thinking about improving my English in daily life.
I try to practice English by speaking with people at shops and cafes.
How do you start conversations with strangers in English?
I begin with greetings and simple comments about the surroundings.
I sometimes feel nervous while starting dialogues in English.
I understand that feeling and I try to speak slowly to stay relaxed.
What techniques help you avoid forgetting words during speech?
I describe the idea using simpler words when I cannot recall specific vocabulary.
I try to listen to native speakers to learn natural expressions.
I listen carefully and repeat phrases to remember them.
How do you handle misunderstandings in real situations?
I politely explain again or use gestures to clarify the meaning.
I think speaking with confidence is important.
Confidence grows when we speak often in real experiences.
How do you learn new vocabulary from real situations?
I write down new words after conversations and review them later.
I sometimes worry about my accent.
Accents show identity, and improving clarity is more important than perfect sound.
How do you practice pronunciation in daily speaking?
I listen to recordings and try to match the rhythm and stress.
I believe conversation practice is more helpful than memorizing grammar rules.
Grammar is useful, but speaking helps us apply it naturally.
How do you ask for repetition politely if you do not understand something?
I say that I would like to hear the sentence again because I want to understand correctly.
I try to use English when ordering food at restaurants.
I practice English when asking for help in stores or when meeting new people.
How do you stay calm when you make mistakes while speaking?
I remind myself that mistakes are natural steps in learning.
I like practicing conversation with language exchange partners.
Language exchange gives real and friendly speaking experiences.
How do you start small talk in different environments?
I talk about weather, location, or shared experiences to start the conversation.
I want to learn how to react when the other person speaks too fast.
I ask them kindly to speak more slowly because I want to understand.
How do you build fluency in speaking?
Fluency grows when we speak daily without translating in our minds.
I think English movies help with natural tone.
Movies show how emotions connect with language in real situations.
How do you remember useful phrases from daily life?
I keep phrases in a notebook and review them before sleeping.
I enjoy practicing English with friends who also want to improve.
Practicing with motivated people supports progress.
How do you describe something when you do not know the exact English word?
I explain the function, shape, or situation to express my meaning.
I feel proud when I successfully express my thoughts in English.
That feeling shows that practice is working and progress is real.
How do you stay motivated to keep learning?
I set small goals and celebrate when I achieve them.
I like learning English through daily conversations instead of studying only from books.
Daily conversation gives practical usage and real experience.
How do you speak naturally without sounding like reading from a script?
I try to focus on meaning instead of perfect structure.
I notice that speaking with different people teaches different conversational styles.
Each person brings unique vocabulary and expressions.
How do you practice English when you are alone?
I speak to myself, describe actions, or read aloud.
I find it helpful to think in English while doing simple tasks.
Thinking in English reduces translation time and improves fluency.
How do you handle moments when you cannot follow a fast conversation?
I ask for clarification and try to catch keywords.
I admire people who speak English with confidence in real life.
Confidence grows with practice and patience.
How do you choose the right words in different situations?
I consider formality, tone, and the relationship with the listener.
I try to use polite phrases when speaking in unfamiliar situations.
Politeness creates comfort and understanding in communication.
How do you learn idiomatic expressions used in daily speech?
I learn idioms from conversations, videos, and songs.
I sometimes mix grammar rules while speaking.
Mixing rules is part of the learning process and improves with time.
How do you correct yourself without stopping the flow of conversation?
I restate the sentence smoothly with the correct form.
I like speaking English while traveling to new places.
Traveling gives many opportunities to practice in real life.
How do you keep conversations going without awkward silence?
I ask open questions and show interest in the person.
I practice storytelling in English to increase fluency.
Storytelling builds structured speaking and confidence.
I like speaking with strangers in simple conversations because it builds my confidence.
I prefer doing that at cafes or parks since the atmosphere feels relaxed.
I learn a lot from listening carefully to native speakers because their tone and pace teach me natural flow.
I also study their rhythm since it helps me sound more natural.
I practice small talk in English during my commute because short chats improve fluency.
I do the same on buses or ride shares since those moments feel spontaneous.
I think role play helps with real situations because it prepares me for different responses.
I practice role play with friends too since it boosts my comfort level.
I like repeating common sentences aloud because my mouth gets used to the sounds.
I repeat them as well since muscle memory improves pronunciation.
I try to use English when I shop for clothes because it teaches me practical vocabulary.
I switch to English in stores too since it strengthens my expression skills.
I enjoy speaking English when giving directions because it sharpens my clarity.
I ask others for directions in English as well since it builds confidence in real tasks.
I use English during phone calls for reservations because the pressure helps me think fast.
I make those calls too since I want to master polite phrases.
I practice English when greeting new people because introductions appear everywhere.
I like greetings practice too since it sets the tone for friendly conversations.
I enjoy speaking during travel situations because airports and stations offer real practice.
I talk in English while traveling too since the environment motivates me.
I like explaining problems in English because it improves communication skills.
I work on describing issues as well since it helps in service situations.
I practice asking for help in English because those moments need clear language.
I ask for assistance in English too since it teaches me useful expressions.